Hello, my name is Michele Cirino, and I will be presenting Green Endurance, the texture and color of a new safety. Hard hats for construction are personal protective equipment that in Italy should be replaced every 5 years to guarantee safety. Every year, Italy throws away several million hard hats. This adds to the fact that Italy is a large producer of plastic goods, and that it generates almost 4 million tons of waste each year, over 80% of which comes from the packaging industry. Italy banned polyethylene plastic bags in 2011, but unfortunately, it is estimated that half of the shoppers circulating are still utilizing plastic bags made from polyethylene and not fully biodegradable. As a result, many tons of plastic waste end up in landfills and the Mediterranean Sea, causing pollution and the destruction of marine flora and fauna. The Green Endurance Project aims at proposing the production of polyethylene hard hats, employing plastic packaging that is already produced but banned by Italian norms, and a collection system for dismissed hard hats. Green Endurance, the texture and color of a new safety, is the product's tagline, and could also be used for marketing it. The pictures shown on this slide are pictures of a prototype, which was created utilizing a 3D printer. Mazalat Workwear is a company which manufactures hard hats in a traditional way, utilizing new plastics for each hard hat, which is not at all sustainable. In contrast, MSA, the safety company, utilizes sugarcane plastics, which, although somewhat more sustainable, drives the cost up due to the large amount of water required for sugarcane plantations. The current market for construction hard hats are construction firms that seek to keep their workers safe and respect Italian safety norms. The first tier of non-customers, or soon-to-be customers, are construction industries that seek cheaper products. The second tier, or refusing non-customers, are private workers who don't wear protective equipment because they can't afford it and replacing it. And the tier 3, or unexplored non-customers, are other sectors, such as transportation, for which the design could be adapted. The Green Endurance Project wants to eliminate thousands of decommissioned hard hats in Italy's plastic value chain, and polyethylene plastic bags that have already been produced but cannot be used as they are banned by law. It also aims to reduce plastic wastes and death in the workplace caused by a lack of standardized safety equipment. The project wants to raise sustainability standards in the industry, the number of construction firms that will be willing to adhere to Italian safety norms and replace construction hard hats every 5 years, and the number of private citizens that will wear hard hats while refurbishing their houses. We also aim to create a hard hat made from recycled material and that is also completely recyclable. A cycle for construction hard hats that includes production from banned plastic bags and a collection of dismissed hats. So a cradle-to-cradle cycle. Compared to companies which are currently on the market, Green Endurance is a lot more sustainable, as it utilizes recycled plastic instead of new one. This also makes the price lower, as new plastic is never employed. Green Endurance also creates a cradle-to-cradle cycle, which is currently inexistent in the Italian hard hat market. Importantly, the Green Endurance hard hat does this without compromising on the safety and comfort aspects, which are absolutely essential in this industry in order to maintain workers safe. Some milestones that have been achieved are a prototype which was developed utilizing a 3D printer, and a website which showcases the Green Endurance hard hat and could be used to target possible development partners. A funding idea is crowdfunding opportunities, which could be used to fund the project in its first stages. In a nutshell, the Green Endurance hard hat could revolutionize the hard hat industry, which currently contributes to plastic waste accumulation. In Italy, the project could address the polyethylene plastics already produced but banned, and encourage avoiding their utilization and discarding, since these plastics could be used for hard hat production. The product will simultaneously address sustainability issues while maintaining its principal characteristics that will grant safety and comfort. The efficient production cycle would lower costs and incentivize construction firms to adhere to hard hats that respect norms and are replaced in Italy every 5 years.